This is your day, your moment. Let's celebrate the steps that we all took to get here today, all that we've learned along the way, and the path that lies ahead.
Today I have the absolute privilege of being able to stand before you, students from 33 of the world's top business schools, to celebrate your achievements and congratulate you.
Let's thank ourselves for all the believing, for never quitting, and for all the hard work we have put in. Class of 2023, let's get started.
The world really needs you more than you expect. The experiences are what counts. Being the best version of yourself. Tear up the playbook and go and change the world for the better.
Thank you so much, Class of 2023. We can't wait to see the rest of your journeys unfold. Congratulations.
So amazing that everyone is here. We had students from all over the world. One team, it's not individuals, it's about the community as a whole. It feels like we're very close together. Seeing everyone again, seeing all the people that you've been together with.
It's really touching and emotional, but also such a good end of this whole experience.
I will sum up the CEMS experience in the word immaculate.
Global, unforgettable, adventure,
Just unique. I would say amazing.
sensational. Wow.